Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be on Floyd Mulvihill. This was suggested to me by Chowa Cox, I believe. Sorry if I do pronounce your name wrong. People have the strangest of names in this world, and I do not know why. But yeah, your name is a pretty cool name. So yeah, he suggested me to review the Cars 1 racer, Floyd Mulvihill. Of course, Floyd Mulvihill also did continue into Cars 3, so we will take a closer look at the Cars 3 version. And we might also take a closer look at Richie Gunzit here. So, pretty cool. But today's main video is, of course, going to be on the Cars 1 Floyd Mulvihill. So, of course, he's been released multiple times. I do have this other one here. Ignore, like, the paint on the eyes. This is the non-raised eyes version. Of course, pretty cool. I don't have any packaged versions, unfortunately. But that's a shame. I would like to have one in the future. But yeah, now let's get on to this view. He's got this angry expression here, as you can see. 70 on this yellow headlight. Pretty cool. Got this nice grille. Of course, we've got Gasprin, hood headache relief. It's a bit like a pill. So, like medicine. Pretty cool. We've got the eyes, which are in this green colour. 70 on the roof here in this blue colour. We got again the Gasprin logo here, headache relief, yellow in the middle. On the side, if my camera will focus, we got these nice black light year rims. We got nitrate, piston cup revolting, octane game, mood springs, Vitaline, no store gaskets himself, easy idle, RPM, lead talkie pistons, leakless, retread, and clutch aid. Of course, we've got some dents there that shouldn't be on the diecast because I've had it for quite some time. We've got the 70 again. We've got the exhaust pipe here. Got 70. Got the light year rims again. Gasprin logo in this pill shaped again. And of course, we've got this fuel cap here. On the back, we've got this pill shaped logo here in this, pretty cool. And of course, we've got headache relief 70. And here is the base made in China. Of course, we'll be taking a close look at this Floyd Mulvihill too, so maybe I use this one as my thumbnail, or in fact, this one, because this is the China release. Yeah, don't know why, because this is the 1970s NASCAR version, and this is the 2017 Piston Cup Racers version, so Floyd must have been racing for quite a long time. But yeah, we'll just put him here for the time being and take a look at the other one. Got Gasprin on the front, again with his pills. Looks so different. Same number, which I like to see. Still got headache relief. Of course, this is the China version. So that means he came with this launcher, which I like a lot. Of course, it just launches. That was like really loud. Of course, then he did get a re-release. This time from Thailand. Of course, we can see week 31. Pretty cool. I'm glad that he did get a re-release, but I do prefer the China version. Of course, we also got China Richie Gunzit, which is the next gen. We can see that the Gasprin, of course, different colours. Probably one of the most different changes in the car. Pretty cool. There is the China version of Richie Gunzit, which is cancelled, which is like super duper ultra rare. So if anyone has that, you're very lucky. Pretty cool. Notice how they're made in pretty much 2 years. Of course, made nearly the same. Of course, that's cool. My package collection of Gasprin now. We've got the launcher, which I did say I had. And, like I didn't say earlier, I didn't have any Floyds. We've got Richie here from Fireball Beach. And, of course, Richie from the normal next gen line. Sorry about that awful noise. Nobody likes that noise. But, yeah. Thank you, Charles Cox, for suggesting this review. Of course, bring back all the cars now. Believe there was supposed to be a hauler for this team, but it got canned. So yeah, so close to 1,200 subscribers. If you're new, please make sure to leave a like, dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell notification button down below. To the next one. Bye guys.